We start with the 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was it's been exactly at the top, this we mentioned whoever get the trade from here, they have to take out the trade or move their stop loss to break even. And we mentioned whoever wants to look for trade, they have to get the trade set up because we mentioned the price almost at the top of the correction. Okay, based on daily chart. This is the reasons as we can see the price drop. Even if we move to 4 hour chart, I was keep highlighting we have a divergence and we can expect to get one more drop similar to what we have here. And exactly this is what we get because every sharp move keep the deep correction and reversal. All right. This is the reasons why every time if we want to look for trade, I mentioned we have to get the trade set up because as we can see, there was no trade set up and there was no reasons for anyone to buy at the top. And also we put a 15.6. We want to see, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 15.6. We need to be careful. Any trade within this, we have to be really careful. Okay, what I want to highlight here is that this is the important that every time we want to look for the trade, we have to get the trade set up confirmation for the next trade. We cannot simply jump into the trade. Even the price is moving without us, we don't take the trade. That means if there was a continuation from here, even without the trade setup, we had no reason to look for buy. Okay, this is the reason because sometimes it follow like without us, but when it's reverse, if for example if we buy here without the trade setup, then the price drop, then how? We don't want to lose money. If we don't make a profit is good, but if we lose it, because we can look for the next opportunity, but if we lose the money, all right. What I want to say is here again, every time we want to look for trade, we have to get the trade setup confirmation before we look for the next trade. Move to daily chart. What I have based on daily chart, nothing, just a reversal. We don't have anything to explain. And if I move to forward chart, as we mentioned, we had divergence, the price drop. Now, what we want, whether to get the correction for one more drop or reversal. Mostly we'll be more interested in the reversal in terms of the risk and reward. Even that's mean for me, if I get any reversal, I will look for buy. What we cannot look for either buy or sell. How we can look for trade? If this one turns to a correction similar to what I draw here, we can look for sell. But the best thing is if we get any reversal for buy, we take the trade for buy. And right now we cannot do anything. We cannot look for buy or sell. We have to wait and see what we get here. And any reversal, we're looking for the sharp move flag, we take the trade. Okay. And sometimes maybe we don't get the trade similar to what we have here. We could get the trade based on lower time frame, but the best was based on 1 hour chart to have in trade of this. That's why we have to wait and see what we get here. And as I say, if we get any reversal, we take the trade. But if we get a reversal, we're looking for the continuation as a sharp move, not the corrective move. And the only times we can look for sell if we get the deeper correction as a corrective move. Then we will look for before we take the sell, we see whether the correction can give us a better, they confirm the trade setup for us or not, because we want to see both the risk and reward. Where we want to put our stop loss, it should be here. How deep it can go may just retest this low. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and as I mentioned, we can put this one in relative to this as a flat. If we move to forward chart, it will be more clear. The way it's forming, it doesn't give us really good form of the flat. That means still we can expect this one to be here for a longer time, but that's why we have to wait to see the correction here. But if we get any reversal, we will be more interested to look for buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart and we're looking for the reversal. In this case, if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.